Right now we're going to make a spice blend that's found in a lot of my dishes. It's actually something that's used throughout the Caribbean region and I'm sure in other parts of the world. Where my parents are from, we call it epice. To make epice, what you're going to need is half an onion, 6 sprigs of scallions, 6 sprigs of thyme, 6 sprigs of parsley, 6 cloves of garlic, and 2 shallots. What we're going to do is we're going to take some extra virgin olive oil, put all these ingredients right into a blender, puree it, and then that's it, we're done. So into the blender we're going to place the onions, the scallions, the thyme, parsley, the garlic, and shallots. I'm going to add just a bit of the olive oil here. Power on. Set that to the side. Get one of these bowls back out here. So now that the piece is done, take the blade out here, that off. Now I use this in a lot of dishes. Today we'll be using it in the short rib dish, but I'll use it on prepping fish, marinating meats. It's pretty universal. If I'm going to make like different dishes like Caribbean jerk or something that requires a different flavor profile, I'll use this as a starting point and then add whatever else I would need to add for those dishes. Now this keeps pretty well. It'll last you about 4 days or so in the fridge. And I usually just make a bunch of it in advance so I have it ready. So not to waste time. I also tend to freeze it up so that whenever I do need some, I just break off a piece of a piece, and add it to whatever dish I'm making. So that's how you make my spice blend. It's not a traditional Haitian Epis. Like I said, it's a modified version so that I could kind of use it in a variety of dishes. But this is basically how it's done.